definitely worthy enough of being on camera. All right, welcome back, guys. We are doing another shoot with Terrell and a RWB Porsche. Will is over there, the owner. And well, we're just getting our Sony a7 IV, and we'll probably start on the 24-70 as well. But knowing my luck and everything, we'll probably swap to the 16-25 pretty quickly. All right, let's get starting.
He's just fixing his knob right now.
Okay.
Pause.
Was that the shifter then? Yeah. Okay, so that's what he was showing us then. Okay. It is so foggy out.
I bet you my hair is gonna be like wet by the end of the day.
It might be, yeah. Honestly, yeah. Do I even have a mist on right now? Please say no. No. I'm gonna take off the CPL though.
Yeah.
Don't need extra.
Yeah, we don't need an extra light wall.
No. Yeah, this is okay.
What do you get?
This is okay.
Yeah, we're getting like car not unlocked vibes. Car no. Oh. Can you straighten the wheel? Yeah. Because the other, I want to shoot the other side. Okay. That side has like light hitting it.
Oh, okay.
And also, is it better to have it more close to this?
Yeah.
Or even, do you want them like right next to the gas pumps?
Or
Yeah, we can do it next to the gas pumps.
Because even as well, down there, even further too,
Yeah.
looks kind of cool as well.
just back it up?
Yeah.
Probably, yeah.
Spot that I initially put you in did not work out as well as I had hoped. Camera could not see what my eyes were seeing.
Is this 24-hour? What's diesel anyway?
Oh.
Imagine putting them up there.
Holy shit.
Okay, I was gonna try to take a photo, but then those spotlights came on, so never mind.
Think that's good?
Yeah, that's pretty good there, yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
We're gonna try and do our GIF thing that we like to do, how we open the door and gets out.
Will, can we do halos?
There we go, yeah.
Thank you.
Sweet. Oh, that looks good with you just looking back at it too.
Oh, nice.
That's cool. Essential shot.
I was going back to like change my CPL. I was like, oh, I took that off. Gotta get your BTS, you know? Even though I always film mine theoretically. We'll just try and go through the leaves maybe, we'll see how that looks out. Decent as I get prickled, and that's a prickle bush, lovely. It's always fantastic. Mine's actually not bad.
Mine is. I feel like it's doing it, but she's kind of a little bit.
I just typically lock it onto the light.
Yeah.
You know, just so everyone knows as well, I'm not shooting on a mist filter, it's just insanely foggy, so no mist filter activated, and also no CPL, because a CPL will actually darken your image as well, so at nighttime you basically can just remove it entirely, which is always handy. We're gonna try and do a rear shot if my glove will cooperate. Sweet. How's your 50 working out?
I'm not sure yet. I am breaking to the 2470 temptation.
No, yeah, Terrell's on a straight 50 right now. The nifty 50.
50.
Is it the 1.4 or the 1.8?
1.8.
Okay, so yeah, nifty 50.
Like such a specific shot in mind.
Yeah.
And I'm struggling to get it.
What are you trying to?
I think I just need to go wider. I'm trying to get like the taillight wing kind of combo.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Like the low taillight wing combo, which is why I think that's why I'm just like feeding for my 2470.
It's also hard on this car because it's so wide.
Yeah, I know, because you need to get the hips in it too, right?
Yeah.
It's like,
Getting this shot. I know you're on 50, but with the gas pumps.
ooh.
Well, maybe shooting through the gas pump, maybe, or like with it, like right here or something. Maybe, I don't know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, it's sick. I love it this weapon. That's like, I feel like half the shoot I'm always like looking for foreground items.
There was a really good shot over on the front left.
Oh yeah, from the bush?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. See, I shot mine from like a bit for like from the right side
Oh, okay, yeah.
of the bush. But oh, I was shooting the rear as well.
I'm still at 2.8, so still like what, 4 stops different, kind of. See what that looks like. Yeah. It's so much brighter. Try and get the gas pump thing again.
So the point and shoot was kind of a bust on my end because the flash was just hitting fog.
Ooh.
So the photo just looked like it was raining.
Well, that's fun.
It was like, that's good.
Yeah.
Great. Awesome.
Shut down camera.
Oh.
I have a little,
little
photo
photo?
for you. It's hard to see it
Oh.
at dark, but
Thanks.
so you might have to use your flashlight to see it. It's like really hard to see.
Cool. That's so cool though. That's sick. It's like a little Polaroid.
Yeah, yeah, literally, yeah. Maybe we'll put them over there.
What?
Maybe we'll put them over there for now.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Good. Looks pretty good there. I am so shocked when I came in here this time.
Yeah.
The fog looks to be lifting ever so slightly.
Just a little
Which makes it better, actually.
bit.
We can see.
A little bit more usable.
Yeah.
Before it was like a Pro Mist level 100.
Yeah. Now it's like a quarter.
Yeah.
Up at the bridge. All the headlights of the
Like this,
mist. It's like fanned out.
light.
Yeah, getting like a silhouette of the car.
So with the point and shoot, so it's like full auto. It's giving me 1/4 of a second. So I'll
Oh
just like,
gosh. 1/4. Let's see what 1/4 does. Terrell, you might have to try 1/4 on your camera.
Ooh.
You can do.
You're just doing like little.
Yeah, just a little tiny one.
Yeah. See, I went like.
Because the car is still all there, just not the lights.
Yeah, I'm getting. Yeah, I'm basically kind of.
Well, there you go. Yeah.
I was moving in all sorts of.
Well, that's kind of cool.
That one.
Ooh,
I
yeah.
don't even know how long that one was.
Oh yeah. Cap. My God.
Yeah, I forgot this was like the whole point of the spot.
I'm wondering 70 to 200 from the road. Is that even worth it though? I don't know.
It just depends. Well,
Oh, it's slick back here.
Yeah. There's mud.
Yep. I'm probably pissed.
True.
It's Richmond.
Yeah, it's this. Echo.
Woo!
That's crazy.
Jeez.
Honestly, I'm surprised I almost thought about it.
It's hard getting dead center.
Yeah. Struggle.
But this is the shot from the road from up back there.
Oh, that's sick. Nice. Well, could I get a little small adjustment?
Yeah.
Yeah, more angle, basically, and a little bit further away from that wall there.
Mean every time. Good. It's good. All good. You can turn it off if you want.
Yeah, you can cut it.
You can cut it.
Oh, okay.
Whew. I guess theoretically he doesn't have to. We don't have to jump him because it is a hill.
Oh yeah. Just roll down this.
Yeah.
You can do just halos, I think, for now. Yeah. No.
No.
There
Yeah.
you go. Yeah.
Yeah, the water's ripping. I know. I'm noticing that too. I'm also liking this though. Not yet.
Well, yeah, we'll finish up here and then. Okay. Yeah, I didn't even. Just like
Yeah.
just taillights, basically.
Yeah. It looks really out of like Batman's like.
Yeah. Well, you should. Will showing me some like someone did like basically a Batman photo shoot with their Porsche.
Yeah, that's what you should. Whew.
Extra not happy with this.
Mine actually doesn't mind it at all right now. Sony low light.
Busted ass lens.
Huh?
Switch it back to the
You should probably just carry your bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys don't know, Terrell doesn't really have a camera bag, so he just has a regular backpack that he just shoves everything in. So yeah, he was telling me a story. I think when he bought a camera, the person was like, that he bought the camera from was like, what in the world? Just shoves it in his bag. So the 50 again. You can probably have so much more light with less noise now. Autofocus now works.
It's like almost too lit now.
Really?
Like it was like giving me like a weird like the color change.
Oh yeah.
On in the nighttime.
Yep.
Like it's like too blue. I mean I can just fix it close, but like.
Well, I didn't even realize being back here.
Just a silhouette.
Yep, that's basically what I'm getting.
To the chevron sign?
Probably, yeah. Move it, yeah, I think so, yeah. Maybe you want to have the lights facing that way, over the water?
Yeah.
Okay. How's that? How is it? It's good? Just, yeah, straighten wheels and it should be good here.
That's kind of. It looks like I just cut. Looks like I just cut Will out. That was stuck. Fill with black.
I'm getting too old. The lights are literally laser beams.
Oh, that's sick.
Oh. What time is it? Send a photo to the wife. I know this place probably looks so much different when there's no fog. Like, it's crazy. Jeez.
Oh, that's a sick ass BPS.
Oh, that's sweet. We're definitely worthy enough of being on camera.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Just Photoshop this big yellow thing out of the way.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Good.
Yep. Probably go back to the whatever MacArthur, whatever it is called.
Yeah.